Get excited about the 2017 Ram 2500. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, turn signal indicator mirrors, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.